I wanted to tell you about the Qathet Accordion Festival that I just attended this past weekend. I used to be a camp counselor 20 years ago for a camp in Colorado, and before the students arrived, before the campers arrived, the head counselor used to tell us for 3 weeks, for the duration of the camp, of each session, the kids that are coming are separate from the real world. We're making a make-believe world, a special place. Whatever troubles, whatever families, whoever the person is where they're coming from, when they arrive at camp, they get to be a new person. Make this magical world believable. Make it a beautiful place that's separate from the real world. That always stuck with me. And this past weekend, again at the qathet Accordion Festival, I got to experience that like I'm a camper. It's a place that is separate from the real world. As soon as I got on the ferry to the Accordion Festival, I started to overhear the word accordion. People came up to me because I have a YouTube channel, because I'm an educator, and they introduced themselves to me. And I said, hello, of course. I handed out Accordion Love stickers. For the duration of the weekend, it was separate from the real world. There was a chance to connect. It was a chance to play. It's called playing music for a reason. There's play involved. Martin from Tempo Trend Music had an accordion store set up where you could just come in and try out accordions. When does that happen? I had a spare 10 minutes before my workshop. Of course that's where I went, and of course there were other people there. And someone who I met last year said, hey, can you play Churi Churi? And I said, of course. The last time I played it was last year. And I played it. And so it's a magical experience. It's a chance to connect. My everyday is very lucky. I get to teach. I get to teach music. I get to play music as part of my everyday. But I do it alone. Every once in a while I connect with my neighbors and play music. But accordion, this niche subject that we're into, for one weekend a year, this is the 4th time that I've gone to the Accordion Festival, I got to experience this magical world. The coolest thing, a few cool things happened. I was at a coffee shop and I overheard people talking about accordion. If this happens here in my home or anywhere else, they're talking about me. And so I turned around thinking that they were speaking about me. No, they weren't even paying attention to me. They were having their own conversation about the accordion, the instrument that they played. What a cool thing. What a cool thing for the small town, Powell River, qathet, to transform for one weekend where people play, where there's an open mic, where there's an accordion orchestra, where there's an accordion store, where I feel so accepted and so seen and so heard. There was an ice cream place and I had my accordion. There was a beautiful little plaza. So of course I got my accordion and played for an hour for the townspeople, but of course there were people from the festival that came, that had ice cream, that I said hi to. It was such a beautiful place where I was, again, accepted for who I was. I got to give, I got to teach a workshop. How cool. If you've never been to an accordion festival, I encourage you to go to one. If there's an accordion meetup, if there's an accordion jam, again, the majority of my time is spent here in my favorite place with my favorite people, with my wife, with my kids, in my community, with my instruments. But there's a special kind of connection that happens in real life where we get to connect. And if you're lucky enough to be able to go for an hour, for an overnight, for a day or two, for a week, oh, it's just beautiful. And again, if I'm there, I promise you, I'll reach out to you and we can connect. And don't feel intimidated. I love playing with anyone at any time. My nature is to give and to connect, despite in the real world being extremely shy. If we can connect over accordions, beautiful. So again, if there's an event around you, I encourage you to go and to do it. Again, this is like camp. For a short session, we get to geek out over the thing that we're so interested in. Thank you to the organizers of the Qathet Accordion Festival, Karina and Walter, and for the countless volunteers that made it happen. I'll share some other videos of my workshop and of performances. But yeah, what a lucky thing to have in 2026. Thank you.